Okay, so it's nighttime at the Jalan Alor food market, and it is crazy. Check this out. So this is when it comes to life. If you come here during the daytime, you can still eat here, but nighttime is where it's popping. Check this out, man. All the stalls are set up, bright lights. You can smell the food. Look at this. Just crazy. Coconuts. Lots of durian. You love durian. And heavy Chinese influence, as you can see. Man, there are a lot of people here. And it is hot. But there's not a day that is not hot, so look at all these people. And cars and bikes usually come through here, but right now at night, yeah, it's just gonna be people. But during the day, yeah, you kind of gotta watch out whenever they're coming through. Oh man. So if you don't like crowds, this is probably not a good place for you. Look at that, all this seafood, all this food. Yes. Yeah, and the prices are really good. You're probably going to spend around 15 ringgit, up to 20 normally. That's around, you know, 4 to 5 US dollars, somewhere around there. Look at all these people, tons of people eating. Oh man. There's also non-food stuff as well. Check this out.
I just hit like 41 dives.
During high school. Yang ada ikan lagi. Aduh,
Dia macam mana cakap?
नहीं तो मैं
Oh man.
Free down. Raw and Red Bull, same thing. Mixed spicy.
Apa kalau Alexa?
Oh my god. Aku yang dulu aja.
Oh ya.
Yes, hello. Hello, sister. Thanks for watching. Come on.
Okay, I just made it through the Jalan market at night. It's absolutely wild and crazy. So yeah, if you actually want some really great food, but also a crazy atmosphere, come to the Jalan Alor food market.